We made it. Elkins, West Virginia. We weren't sure what to expect with the Tygart Hotel. We figured it would be nice, but wow. We were not expecting this. So I'm having the bacon TLC. It's basically a giant BLT. It comes with two sides. I went with the French fries and mac and cheese. Well, how could I not? Robbie's digging into his jambalaya and loaded baked potato, and I mean, look at that plate. Brett and Jai got the Mediterranean and the blackened salmon, and while everything smells amazing in here, it's pretty much impossible to leave this place hungry. Just look at this. Mountains, fog. This view out our window is absolutely beautiful. Morning one, we are starting our walking tour of downtown Elkins. We're going to go to the visitor center first, and then who knows where. But we are looking forward to it. This is a cool town. Here's one of the heritage quilt trail blocks. We love seeing these little pieces of Appalachian culture stitched into the everyday.
States. He's out of Detroit. Him and his wife's coming down, and we've got another.
There are old photos all over the walls in here. Railroad crews, town history, moments frozen in time. You can really feel how much Elkins is rooted in its past.
Get in a day early so we can relax, go set the tent up.
All right.
Yeah, okay. No, I see. Yeah, sure. Yeah.
So are you going to try to be one of those strongmen contests?
Oh, no.
So we've been given recommendations of places to go, and a lot of it is driving, doing a circle through Parsons. So we're going to do a really quick walking tour through downtown Elkins before we get in the vehicle and start exploring. This building was built in 1899, and it was originally the Hotel Delmonte. Now it's this super cool two-story market. It's got all kinds of local goods and gifts and snacks and just a little bit of everything in it. When you walk in, you can feel the old charm. It's like the building's still telling its story. Look at this mural, isn't it gorgeous? I read that a local artist named Heather Johnson painted this in 2021. It adds so much color and character to downtown Elkins. Love seeing art like this celebrating the heart of the community. Right across from the hotel here is what used to be the Manos Theater. It was originally the Grand Theater, and it was built in 1909. This is Fred Long's Centennial Park, right on Route 219, about 5 miles west of Thomas. We're on top of Backbone Mountain at around, I think it's 3,500 feet. It's quiet, wild, and just pure West Virginia. And it's chilly up here, too. Thomas, West Virginia, where history meets hip. This town has such a cool vibe. Art galleries, vintage shops, music venues, and the buildings all still have that old brick charm from way back. It's artsy, but it's still got that down-home feel. And you can hear the river just behind it all. That's the North Fork of the Blackwater. Even though the place is small, you really need to take about a day to visit here because there's so many cool little shops and restaurants to check out. Next stop, Blackwater Falls State Park. It's only about 10 minutes from Thomas, and it is totally worth the stop. The falls are beautiful. I will say, though, there are a lot of stairs to go down to get to it. That dark water, why it's called Blackwater Falls, it comes from the tannins in the spruce and the hemlock needles. Makes it look like tea rolling over those falls. This is the second recommended eatery, Smoke on the Water BBQ here in Elkins. A lot of you on YouTube and some folks on TikTok told us to try this place. And wow, solid recommendation. We were coming to Bickle Knob to the fire tower to get video, 360-degree view, and we're coming up this gravel road and we're all excited, and we get to this 2.5 miles away, so we're not going to be able to get to it, and I'm sorely disappointed. If it were earlier in the day and I had on good walking shoes, okay, but it's almost 7 o'clock, so we're not going to be able to get up to Bickle Knob Fire Tower. So we're going to find us something else to go see. But anyway, just wanted you to see this because we're very disappointed. We did get to see some cute cows though. and someone else is coming up to be disappointed. How about that? Two of the ladies who won cakes and they didn't mind me getting their photo. Those are beautiful cakes. What a day, right? From wandering Elkins to exploring scenic loops, Blackwater Falls, and some incredible local food stops. This place just keeps surprising us. But here's the thing. This was only the beginning. If you thought today was good, just wait. Tomorrow's taking us deeper. More food, more views, and an unforgettable festival. Hit that subscribe button so you'll be ready when part 2 drops. We'll see you there.